A weird combo. Harpy eagle and a black panther, let's go. A weird combo. Komodo dragon and an Arctic wolf, let's go. A weird combo. African buffalo and a grizzly bear, let's go. A weird combo. Scorpion and a snow leopard, let's go. A weird combo flamingo and a rattlesnake, let's go. A weird combo. Scorpion and a snow leopard, let's go. A weird combo gorilla and a great white shark, let's go. A weird combo porcupine and a falcon, let's go. If you liked this combo, hit like and subscribe to the channel. We'd love your support. Drop a comment with your favorite creature and let us know what crazy animal fusions you want to see next.